Theistic Solutions. Today in this video we will see how to book a Go Air flight ticket. So before that, first time you are visiting first time in this channel, just please subscribe to channel and like the video. So let us go to our topic today. So this is the official website of Go Air flights. So in this website link also will be given into this video description, so that if you want, you can click on that link. You will go to the directly Go Air website. So once you click that link, display will come here like this. So interface will be shown like this. So after that, you need to, if you want to book a flight ticket, just choose a selection of if you want one way flight or round trip. One way means that is onwards one way sector, that is if you are going to travel Chennai to Mumbai, then means Chennai to Mumbai, that is one way. If you want round trip, then you Mumbai to Chennai, it will be calculated like round trip Chennai to Mumbai, Mumbai to Chennai, like that. So that now I am selecting one way. So here you can Chennai. So if you can type over here Chennai, or if you know the code here for the airline field, if you know the code, you can enter MAA, or you can type Chennai. Both is be accepted. Okay, and here you can select Mumbai. BYM means Mumbai. That all you can enter full name of Mumbai here. You can get here second selected Mumbai. Then you can click on the departure date when you are going to travel. Over here you can select your date of departure. I'm selecting, just for example, July. Simply selecting. You can choose by your passenger, how many passenger you are going to travel, that is one passenger or two passenger. So you can book a flight ticket up to 9 passenger at the time of booking. Up to 9 passenger you can be able to book the ticket. And also you can, if you have children passenger, you can also children passenger 2 to 11 aged children you can add here. So now I am just selecting single passenger. You can click on book now link. See here, book now link is there. Click on that now. So here your detail will be displayed. So what all the flights is operating on 2nd of July. So you selected the 2nd July Chennai to Mumbai flight, no? So you here list of the flights. There are 2 flights as operating on 2nd of July from Chennai to Mumbai. That is departure time here and the arrival time here. So duration hours also reflecting in the screen. The basic cost is showing here. There are a few types of fares are available in the screen. One is Go Smart and Go Flexi, Go Return, like that. We are able to see here. You can select areas. There is some rules and regulations is there according to fares. You can read over the rules here, clicking by the link. There is a link I, like calling I. So you can see here, read the rules, then you can select whatever your fare you want. You can select that fare. So if you want more Go Flexi fare, you can click and read that fare rules, then select if you want that fare. So whatever if you want, you can take that and choose that and select. Then scroll down your screen, then click on the continue link. So your system will ask you like this: you are a passenger, you are a guest, or you are a enrolled person. If you have the login, you can able to select here login to GoStone, or if you want to register on that, you can able to register also. So next page will come on the display in your system. So you need to feed here all your passenger information. If suppose you need to select here Mr. So your gender, the title Mr. or Miss or Mrs. or like that. So give the first name and the last name and nationality. So if it is any you require any special assistance so some because Goyer is have a option to select a special assistant. So if you want to, if the passenger is senior citizen, then you can have a option to choose the wheelchair also. So if you click on this, you will get a option here. So I am deselecting this. So you can type here. You have given already passenger information over here. Then so here I have given the I am the first passenger. If the passenger is the same what you entered above, then you can click over here. I am the first passenger. The above details will reflective here also. So I'm just I'm clicking here. See here. Or if your passenger is different, then you can enter it over here, title and the first name, last name, email address, then over the contact number. Simply I'm selecting, I'm giving the contact number. If you have any other emergency contact number, you can enter here, then continue. So email ID address has to enter, it's a mandatory. Then enter the continue button, click the continue button. So you need to continue before the time, so because there is a duration time make the booking, so you need to complete the before that time. So then click the continue button. So country code also is asking mandatory. So if you have any other mandatory number, you can also give here, or same number also can be given here. So click on the continue. So it is asking, it is not accepting same numbers. So I'm giving the separate number over here. So then click the continue link. So next button you will get a refreshment of the passenger. What you entered, all the information will come on the display. Next screen, all your passenger information, the sector information where you are going to travel. So all the information you get a the screen. So over here, if you want any additional baggage also, you can add here. So because the check-in baggage along with this free baggage will come around 20 kgs. If you want to add other than that, you have to select add here. So then I'm not checking now. So priority check-in bag, if you want to prior check-in bag in the airport, so you will also have a option to click here add. So any other option, so scroll that, you can select your address and all the things, country India, email already given. So click here I agree to purchase tower, protection confirm. After that, give the continue button. City is asking Chennai. So enough, I'm giving the continue button. So you here you will get if you have any GST number, then you have to enter here, then company name and everything. Then it will ask you to pay the amount in the next option. So you can pay the payment over here through your internet banking or cards, anything, whatever it is giving in the options. Select that and give the information and pay the amount. Then ticket will be generated automatically. You can save the ticket and travel. Happy journey. Thank you. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe to channel for more interesting videos.